Hi everyone, thank you for time allowing to start introducing myself. My name is Buddha and today I'll present a paper entitled Fake News Classification for Indonesian News Using Extreme Creativity, or mainly known as XGBoost. This paper was written by G.P. Haumahu, S.D.H. Pramana, and Y. Yadadapula from Theology University, Jakarta. In today's digital era, information spread rapidly through social media. Unfortunately, not all circular information is accurate. Hoaxes or fake news can cause confusion, spread hatred, and even damage the reputation of individuals or groups. Therefore, automated methods are needed to help classify whether news is a hoax or legitimate. This is where artificial intelligence, particularly machine learning algorithms, plays a crucial role. So the main objective of this research is to create a use classification model using the SGBoost algorithm. The focus is on distinguishing between hoax and legitimate news in the context of Indonesian language news. The others wants to determine whether SGBoost is capable of providing high accuracy in detecting hoaxes. His research using 500 data consisting of 250 hoax news and 250 valid news. The sources of the dataset include Kompas, CNN Indonesia, Detik, Liputan 6, and turnbackhoax.id. The stage of the method include text preparation such as thresholding, tokenization, and filtering. Thresholding is the process of converting entire text from data used into a standard. The standard use will make all words lowercase. At the stage of tokenization, data, or in the form of text, is processed into parts called tokens. This process has the purpose of eliminating certain characters such as punctuation and symbols, because they are considered to have no use in processing text, and defining each word that is useful in processing of text data. The references to the separator between tokens are spaces and punctuation marks. Then filtering. Filtering text words that are considered important in the classification taken from tokenization results. In the study, the filtering use is to remove stop words and punctuation. So stop words are words that appear in the data used but do not have any contribution to the meaning of the document. Next, feature extraction using GFIDF to calculate word weight. Then the classification model was created using the XGBoost algorithm. The last one, the model was evaluated using a confusion matrix and five-fold cross-validation. The test results show that the model built is able to classify news quite well, with precision 96%, equal 88%, F1 score 92%, and accuracy 92%. This means that out of 100 data, out of 100 test data, 92 were correctly classified by the model. The conclusion of the study is that Exibus can be used effectively to classify hoax news in Indonesia with simple pre-processing and appropriate feature selection. This model demonstrates high performance. More broadly, this research demonstrates the significant potential of using AI to combat disinformation, particularly in Indonesia. However, there are several limitations. First, the dataset used is relatively small, consisting of only 500 news stories. Second, the study didn't compare SGPOs directly with other algorithms using the same dataset. And third, it hasn't been tested in real-world applications such as integration into news systems or social media. That concludes my presentation on research into hoax news classification using SGBoost. I hope it's helpful and inspires you in utilizing AI for social work. And thank you for your attention.